Welcome back to the channel. This is Kavin here from Parse, and today in this video we're gonna unbox OnePlus 8. As you can see, the box is pretty simple. They have the branding like Never Settle, the 8 and something like that. That's it, and so minimalistic. The color which I bought was the glacial green. Actually, I thought of buying the Interstellar Glow, which I couldn't get it because they haven't released it yet. Apart from this color, there is one more color which is the onyx blue, which is more glossier. And okay, now let's quickly reboot the phone and see how is it. Speaking of the display, we have got a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz display. As you can see, OnePlus is the only phone to provide you with a lot of customization in the color accuracy of the phone display. They have also included the SAR value, which is the radiation emitted by the phone. Here comes the cool part of the box, that is the stickers. They have quite a lot of stickers which you can stick it on the laptop or something like that. They've also included a letter from the CEO of the company, that is Pete Lau. And also some user guides which is useful in all the smartphones. They've also included a clear case within the box. It also reminds me that Realme's Narzo 10A is back. As you guys know that the OnePlus is known for the red cables, and also they have one red cable club. And the charger here we have is 30 watts and they brand it as a 30T, a successor to 30-watt charger like the dash charger. So, hope you guys liked it. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to Parse, and I'll catch you guys in the review. Thank you.